Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change username in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. For this, you want to click on where it says extras at the top right corner and click on where it says user information. From inside user information, you want to choose user details. From over here, you can see your current username. So my current username is KAKA and like some random like numbers and digit. So over here to change it, I need to click on the current username which I have. Once I click on it, it's going to show me this option. From over here, I can remove the current username which I have by clicking on it and enter a new one. So my new username is going to be YouTuber. After I enter my new username, I can click on OK and then I can click on make changes to make it sure. Once I do that, my username will be changed. Now it's going to load for some time. So the reason I'm not able to take this username is because some other player already has a username. So a username has to be unique to you. So whenever you type a name and you are unable to get it, in that case, just type another name. So I was unable to get YouTuber. So I'm going to write YouTuber and random number. This is going to allow me to get this name. So I'm going to click on OK and click on make changes. So hopefully nobody has this username. If they don't, then as you guys can see, it's going to say changed username. Click on OK and your username will be changed. That is how you guys can change username in eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this related to eFootball. I'll see you guys next time.